Hi guys, this is Carrie with Fullerton Professional Organizing, and here is your 5-minute declutter and organization at work. One, clear your desk surface. Put away stray papers, coffee mugs, and random items so only essentials remain. Well, maybe a coffee. But let's keep your desk clean. Two, sort a small section of your inbox. Delete spam, unsubscribe from unnecessary emails, and flag priority messages. Three, toss out old office supplies. Get rid of dried up pens, broken paper clips, and worn out folders. Four, clean out your desk drawer, catch-all. That catch-all drawer, you know, the one that everything gets thrown in or scooped off of your desk. Remove items that don't belong, trash the junk, and set aside keepers to organize later. Five, recycle outdated print materials. Remove old flyers, brochures, paperwork you no longer need. Number six, group active projects in labeled folders or bins. Separate in progress, pending, and completed to keep work flowing smoothly. Now, number seven, organize the supply cabinet or shelf by grouping like items together. Your pens with the pens, paper with paper, and straighten rows. Eight, set up a quick go-to workstation. Keep your most used tools, stapler, sticky notes, notepad in one easy to reach spot. That's usually a drawer, but if you don't have a drawer, you might have a little box on your desk. Now, number nine, rearrange your digital desktop. Move files into labeled folders and delete anything you no longer need. 10, refresh the client or meeting area. Straighten chairs, wipe surfaces, and make sure marketing materials are neatly displayed. Now, if you'd like, I can also create a 5-minute office reset. All you have to do is ask. Routine that blends decluttering, organizing, and home management style. Upkeep for business spaces. Perfect for keeping a professional look without losing work time. All right, guys, those are 5-minute things that you can do. 5 minutes. That's it. You don't have to do them all at once, but these are things that you can do in 5 minutes. All right. Thank you for watching.